The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own fleeting trend to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the immense capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money specialized investigation, figuring out the nitty-gritties. A profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has a through and through various story to uncover. Notwithstanding having huge future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, subsequently, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of redoing to show greater readiness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the venture's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are perplexing instrument. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months end. As per determined Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally really depend on $266.80 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money gauge is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might frustrate its financial backers cruising scarcely at $68.70 as least cost toward 2023 out of 1 year's end. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin and walk 2023 at $94.58 and finish the month at $105. During spring, the most extreme Guaj BCH cost is $109.33 and the base cost is $74.35. Bitcoin money value expectations, 2023 to 2030. The Bitcoin Cash digital money market is exceptionally unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guidelines, contests, the development of new tech, market opinions, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto brokers, fans, or even crypto estimating sites on how Bitcoin money value conjecture would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin money needed to put forth a colossal attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currencies. It isn't some time before it would beat. The majority of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Nonetheless, the consistency that the Bitcoin money cost has attempted to show is in itself a special element to discuss. Its contribution in different brave tasks has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the energy. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $125.66 with a flowing stockpile of 19,285,469 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,422,985,980. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as gathered by specialists. All the more significantly, the venture is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into insensibility. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital money world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary forms. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way regularly every several years. Soon, reasonable. The finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be ideal for heighten, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin Money Cost Expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $300 in the long term. And in the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the greatest cost in the final part. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost gauge when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures over the extreme long haul and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be actually worth 100x more than its until now all-time high in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the most extreme cost in the final part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $445 in 2025 constantly Zen. Nonetheless, this sort of hopeful assumption originates from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on marvelous assumptions. 2. Markets stay as great as usual. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost figure, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH gauge helps in effective money management with impeccable timing. In the main portion of 2026, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the most extreme cost in the last part. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. As per Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. In the main portion of the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $520 and $590 as the most extreme cost in the last part. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by the BCH cost expectations, the symbolic will have least, normal and greatest costs of around $585, $615, and $645 separately. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH expectations, the coin will exchange a scope of $650 to $750 where the previous is the most reduced cost for the year and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost for the whole year might be around